Why a business cash advance can work for you. You've no doubt heard the saying, in order to make money, you have to spend money. As a small business owner, you know how difficult it was to get your idea off the ground, to begin with. You probably had to take out bank loans, providing lenders with personal information, and you more than likely had to fill out stacks of paperwork. You worked very hard to realize your dream of being your own boss, and it has paid off. Now, you might be at a point that you feel your business needs to expand, or you might have a great marketing idea that can take your small business to the next level, or you may just need some new office equipment. The problem is that you don't have the cash on hand to bring those ideas to fruition. You just don't want to have another business loan to worry about, making high interest payments, and putting your credit rating at risk. And if you don't need to borrow more than a few $1,000s, most banks will not consider you for a loan anyway. There is a possible solution for you. You might want to consider a business cash advance. A business cash advance works by allowing you to borrow against the future earnings of your business, rather than using your personal credit or collateral. The money you borrow is deducted from your business future earnings from Visa and Mastercard receivables until the advance is paid back. All revenue earned for your business through cash, check, or other types of credit cards are untouched by the lender. There are no monthly payment schedules or finance charges involved. This is ideal for the small business owner who does not want the hassle of applying for a bank loan. You simply pay back the cash advance as you watch your business expand. You don't have to worry about the pressure that a bank loan would put on your personal credit rating or your checkbook. And you won't have to put your family home at risk. Though a high credit score is not mandatory, there are some qualifications you must meet if you intend to apply for a business cash advance. Many lenders require that you have been in business for at least 1 year. You must also offer credit cards as a means of payment for your customers. You will also have to provide a minimum amount in credit card receipts going back for a determined amount of time. The money advanced to you can be used for an unlimited amount of business expenses, from new equipment, payroll, taxes, advertising, remodeling, and anything else you need money for in order to make your small business great. When you apply for a business cash advance, and you meet all of the lender's qualifications, approval is often as quick as 24 hours. There is generally no application fee, either. In most cases, you will have cash deposited into your business account in 5 days. If you need funding to improve or expand your small business, or if you need funding for any other expenses for your small business, you might want to consider a business cash advance. Unlike a bank loan, you won't have to put your personal credit on the line, you won't have to put your house up as collateral, and you won't have to provide business plans or tax statements when you apply. There is no timeline for repayment, as payments to the lender come from Visa and Mastercard sales as they come in. If you meet all the criteria upon application, then a business cash advance is most certainly the quickest and easiest way of making your small business dreams come true. Watch the next video on your screen.